Well, welcome back. My name is Raz, and we are at American Institute today. And I am with Sajia ma'am. And basically, if I talk about herself, so she is a student and she has been coming here for 1 month, as well as she is a teacher. So, guys, today I want to discuss with her just like a podcast, you can say that. And the topic I have not given yet. Only we are going to discuss personally the things what how she spends her day and how she teaches in a school and entire I'm talking about whole day how she spends, right? So we are going to start with this Azia. So let's see how she is replying, guys. Because after 1 month we always make the videos with the people that how they improve their English in American Institute. So see how, right? So hi Sajia ma'am.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine, sir.
At the first time you are coming here in front of the camera, right?
Yes, sir.
So are you happy to speak something today?
Yes, sir. I am happy.
That's very nice. So I'm going to start, right? So listen to like me carefully. At what time do you come here?
I come at 3 p.m.
At 3 p.m., right? So here without fail, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. And as well as you are teaching somewhere, so can you like tell our viewers where do you teach?
Yes, sir. There are 40 teachers teach in my school. And the school name is SD College Bodil Bypass. And in my class, there are 33 students in my class. And I teach English, Hindi, Maths, and I am a pre-primary teacher as a mother teacher.
Wow, it sounds good actually. That's why I sometimes I get bored when then I think about that how you are struggling. So I like feel that ki really actually she is doing hard work. I want to, but sometimes I get tired that ki I don't wanna do anything. But really, you are doing good work for the society, and most of the students they are transform. You are going to transform them from here to here actually from high sky. That's very nice things. Okay, so what subject would you like to teach if you get the chance to teach here?
I like to history and I want to teach history. That's why I want to be a professor. I like the professionalism, so I want to teach history. And
You like okay.
yes, and history is my subject, and I have completed my post graduation in history.
Oh, that's very nice. So you like history, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know all the things what was done in our past in India especially.
Yes, sir.
That's nice. So that's very nice things. I would like to come on like next point that for how long have you been teaching in a school?
I have been teaching for 4 years.
4 years.
Yes, sir.
That's nice. In the same school.
Yes, sir.
That's very nice, ma'am. It's a good things. You are stable there, or your stability can like sustain there because you have a good quality. That's why. Otherwise, sometimes when I teach in a school, we are going to leave within 6 months because we are not capable to understand the students. Right? It's a good quality. So, like when you come your house, right? So first of all, you take your lunch or you take rest when you leave your school and come to house.
When I came back from house, so my mother prepared tea for me and some snacks. So I spent time with my mother for tea and.
When you suppose ki today you got your salary,
Yes, sir.
and after getting the salary, I think everybody they like we feel happy.
Yes, sir.
So right. So you give your money to your mother or father or you save yourself.
I give my money for my mother and some to my mother, and some money I save, and some money I spend my education and ourselves.
It means you study on yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
You didn't ask for money from anybody.
Yes, sir.
See guys, actually she is a girl that in Barabanki, she is teaching as well as she is managing her education. She doesn't ask for money from anybody, guys. You should be like that. If you want to be self-dependent, you should be like her, right? There is nobody who can help like yourself if you are not helping you guys. By the way, where do you live in Barabanki?
Sir, I live in Barabanki at police station.
Okay, so what's your father like? What's your father?
My father is a tailor
Okay. So and what's your mother?
and my mother is a housemaker.
She's a housemaker. So do you help your mother in kitchen?
Yes, sir, I help my mother in kitchen. My mother only cook food because they have problem for sinus. He ignore water's work because when he worked, so he fever and that type of problems. So he avoids like
She avoids.
she avoids this type of work. So
That's
he
nice.
only cooks food and I manage all the things in my house.
Okay. Acha, in winter season when you washes like when you wash utensils,
Yes.
how do you feel?
Sir, is not good, but I have to.
Yeah, we have to do. We have to do. Right. No, don't worry because I'm also managing all the things. I can understand as a boy what I'm doing here. I can understand how to make food, how to do all the things, how to maintain all the things in a kitchen. So I know well. So I feel for you. And so actually, do you go for shopping here in Barabanki?
Yes, sir. I go to Vishal and V-Mart.
Okay. If comparison the Vishal and the Vishal Mart
Yes.
or B Mart, what shopping mall do you like the most?
I like the most Vishal
Why?
because there was so many things like uniform and girls dress. It is very good in Vishal, and there are many things for kitchen. They have.
Okay. So Sazia ma'am, actually, let me tell you that last time I got a new gift from Ayodhya. It was, I think, someone gave me a watch. Unfortunately, someone stole my watch, so I don't have. So, what was your last gift which you got last time? Last gift.
Last gift is a suit.
Who gave?
My friend give me suit for my birthday.
Okay. So you were happy that time?
Yes, sir. I am very happy that
I was,
time.
I was. Okay, nice. What movie do you like? Do you watch movies?
Yes, I like watch movies, but not more than.
Acha, okay. So actually, some of girls they have taken admission in American, right? And they come from Pir Batawan. Some of them they came from, they come from Lakpedabad, and some of them they come from Naki. So they are not regular. Would you like to say something to them? Why they are not regular? Why they are not coming?
Because sir, it is for American, and everyone not give every parent not give her student to money because if I talk about education, it's very important. But everyone not survive there because they don't have money. Money if you want to if you want to earn education, so you have to money and you should have money, and parents manage all the thing, so he thinks no, you don't go, I don't have money.
According to you, money is a big issue, right? You were saying that also you guys listen carefully what I'm saying, that saying that money is a big issue, and really actually we can just we have a deep knowledge about that, what is the money and how we are surviving here, right? Some of parents are not sending actually their children to American Institute for learning English because of the money problem. But one more things I would like to ask you guys, that if you are not letting them education, then who will give? My first question is that. And the second things, you are ready for let them insist for getting married, and you are going to spend 10 to 4 lakhs 10 to 20 lakhs rupees for the marriage, and after getting married when she goes to another house, she is going to be tortured, she is going to be beaten, she is going to be harassed over there, then you don't have any problem. Money is not big deal, guys. You have that money that you can send to your daughter or the son to the school and college, and especially the coachings, that they can take a good education and they can take their decision for particular life, right? And it's not like big amount that you are not going to pay 3 to 4,000 rupees per month for their for your children. Then why you give them birth? So it's my request to like the parents, please, it's my request, you should understand the feelings and the emotion of the children. You should send them in a school and college properly and give them good education. They can be a self-dependent in a future, and obviously for the bright, and they can be a good hero of their life. They can be a good personality, and they can be a good human being, because when I will be educated, then you will be educated, and our society will be educated, and the people, they will be educated. Obviously the conflict and the contradiction or the dispute can be finished, guys. So okay ma'am, that's very nice conversation with you, Sajia, and really your English is getting improved day by day, because you are doing hard work here and you are coming regularly. So thank you so much, and it's very, I think, conversation, it's very, I think, good conversation with you. So I'll meet you with the next topic, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.